Hello friends, welcome. So in the previous video we installed the Splade and we installed the Splade with Breeze. So we have the Breeze authentication system in here, but also as you can see we don't have the reloading, so all is a single page application, and for that we have installed the Splade. And in this video let's see the basics of the Splade. And if we go to the documentation, and let's start with the navigation. So the fully leveraged Splade page loading capabilities, we need to add the Splade middleware on routes, this one. And we use links, as you can see. And if I open also the welcome, where these two links are, we can see is link here, link component, which is a view component which wrap the anchor tag. And if I go to this link component here in the Splade documentation, unlike most Splade components, the link component is a view component and is wrapper around the anchor tag element, which prevent a full refresh but lost the linked page asynchronously. Okay. Also, this has some more attributes than an anchor tag. We can add a confirmation. So let's just do that. Let's go to this link here for login and add a confirm attribute. And if I go and say login now, we have the confirmation. We can cancel or we can confirm and navigate to the login. And you can read more, so you can change the text on the button, on the confirmation button, and on the cancel button. Now, if you want, you can also transfer all the anchor tags to the link just by saying transform anchors to true inside the app.js. So if you go to the resources, JS, app.js, and here we have the transform anchors. If we want, we can change that to true. This link has also the away attribute. If we want to navigate away from our application, has methods. We can add method post or delete or so on, headers and request data. So if we want the value passed to the data attribute will be parsed by view and not by PHP, we just add data. If we want the value by PHP, we need to add the colon and then data. The same for the headers. Additionally, a preserve scroll attribute prevents the page from scrolling to the top. This, for example, if we want to delete a record in the table and we don't want to scroll to the top when we are redirected back from a controller, we use this preserve scroll attribute. Okay, this is for the links, and we are going to use links in the other videos, but for now just I show you also. Let's see the progress bar, and progress bar in the app.js is true by default. So if I come here, we have the progress bar true, and this is to show that progress bar if I open. And let's go to the network, and I choose the slow 3G. So let's go to the home page. And why we don't? So go to the home page. Okay. And let's slow 3G now. And if I say login, let's confirm, and as you can see we have this progress bar here. Now if you like, okay, if you don't like, you just change that to false. Also we have a toast notification, which is very useful. So let's go in the toast here, and in the controller we just use this facade toast title and add the text. And also we have the instance has several methods to position left top, center top, and where you like. And we are going to use this as well, but just for now, I'm going to show you the And if you go and read the documentation, it's very easy to adapt the Splade. Also, we have a warning, center, and so on. Okay, that's it for the toast notification. We have the shared data. Also, we have a title and meta tags. So for if we want to change this title, which is Laravel by default, is showing the name of the application. So let's just do that. Let's copy this and let's go to the web. And here we have this route get for the welcome, which is, we don't have the controller. And I'm going to add this SEO here and just import the SEO facade up here, as you can see. And if I save right now, nothing is going to happen. And let's remove this one. Now let's go to the home page. Yeah, as you can see, we have also Laravel. We need to change that. If we go inside the root.blade, we have a title here, and let's remove this title, or I'm going to comment this one, and let's save. And now we have a Laravel Splade course. So what we added in here. So let's say Laravel Splade course. Come here, and now we have Laravel Splade course here. Very good. So you can change a canonical URL and open graphs tags on here. Also Twitter tags. Very nice to have. Custom meta tags if you want to set a custom one. And let's scroll up. I want to just publish the provider SEO from the Splade. So let's copy this, and let's say in the terminal, I'm going to terminate this and paste that one. Okay, so if we navigate inside the config, and we have the Splade SEO PHP, and by default has the app name, and I changed this to be Laraveler. So if I just remove the app name, and I'm going to leave by default Laraveler here. This is because we added in the, and if I refresh, now we have only Laraveler. Okay, so that's it, the basics of Splade. All the best. Thank you very much.